Just saying. Good morning, people. It's Monday. It is 9:30, give or take. Out here at 9. We got a crane appointment at 1. Hello, but we won't get there till like Thursday. Kidding. Just a joke. And then the sun comes out. Look at that. Just saying. I'll probably go into federal prison. Look, the guy's climbing a thing. He ain't supposed to do that. It's half of a dump truck. Out there. I'm gonna get in the truck before I get in trouble. It's Monday. We are at the port in Galveston. Drinking our orange Gatorade. Getting psyched up. When I get to be like the second truck in line, I'm gonna go take the straps off and all the stuff. You know, get prepared ahead of time. I don't know what they'll do. This is my first time here having a crane off. Usually I pick up down there at the other end or deliver. So, see how it works. I'll update you here in a minute. As soon as I said that, we started moving. There's the crane way off in the distance. Right there. Well, there's another tugboat. Might get to see a little bit closer. Oh, there's another axle up there, look. 2 trucks ahead of us. He's got the same thing we got. We get to see how that works. See if I can get a stop where we can get a view of what's going on. It's probably good. How big that thing is. That is half of a dump truck in front of us, by the way. I think she's gonna take pictures of my stuff. My axle. Ah, you guys. I got a feeling this is going to be fairly quick. I do not know how we get stacked back up. I'm probably going to have to go somewhere else where there's a forklift and mess around somewhere, you know, doing that. I don't know yet. It'll be interesting. Thinking I'm going to get ready. A couple of these straps off, you know, get kind of prepared. Leave the chains on, you know, but get rid of the straps. All right, listen, I gotta go. I'd love to stay and chit chat and all that stuff, but I gotta go. Really. All right, I'll give you a look around real quick. That's the front. Ain't gonna see nothing over here. That's it. And then to me, I gotta go. She's coming. I'm gonna go take this stuff apart. I'll be back. I'll be back with you. I'll get back to you. You wanna do the thing? Listen. Literally, I just lost 8 pounds. 1/2 inch chain. Probably got snots coming out my nose or my brain. Literally 1/2 inch chain and 4 straps and 4 flags. And I got back in the truck, moved the truck, 8 pounds I lost. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. It's lukewarm out there. I didn't say it. All right, let me go back out here and do some stuff. I don't know. All right, we next in line. They doing that chassis. They got it about done. Here's the scene of the crime. Parked next to the Texas Responder. That'd be a good picture. There I am. There all they are. There's the guy that was at the truck stop next to me. It's after lunch. I'm gonna get me some straps with the hooks on the bottom of them, or the bottom. Hey, I'm gonna get some straps with the hooks at each end instead of the flat hooks. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. That is what I'm gonna do. I just sat here for an hour and a half. Lunchtime. What you gonna do? Right now they're tying that down to the trailer, and then I'm just gonna pull forward and they're gonna take that off. Oh, they are stacking that guy's trailer up over there. Okay. I was curious about that. Then we're gonna drive 47 miles to Baytown, Texas, to the Flying J. What was it, Sesame Street? Shower. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna get back to you. They attacking me. Dropped it. Look, ready? Saw that one skid? Watch. I don't know what to tell you. These things used to be good. They ain't no good no more. Probably gonna go to jail. I don't know if you're supposed to feed the pigeons. Oh my God, I'm probably gonna... Look, there is a billion of them out there. Look at them all. A new hood ornament. People, seriously. All right, I gotta go. Yep. So update, right? Remember I was up there at the front of the line and then we went to lunch and all that stuff? What? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks ahead of me now. This is why I chose the salary option at Valley Transportation. That way I don't have to worry about how many miles I drive or nothing like that. Until it comes time to the bonus at the end of the year, right? So, they didn't want to change the rigging. Remember when you were a kid and your parents used to tell you, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all? That's all I got to say about that. No hurries, no worries. We'll get up there eventually. It'll be my turn. Get back with you. Here's the deal, we're empty. Got here at 9 o'clock this morning and we finally leaving out at 4:30 in the afternoon. What a deal. It's all good though. It is what it is. But drank 7 Gatorades. Kidding. probably one or two. And let's see, we got Houston at 5 o'clock or park at the closest truck stop and not take a shower. Let's go with B, right? All right. This is Trucker 2 Chains at the port in Galveston. I'm out.